High protein. 35% more protein than Pedigree choice cuts in gravy. Real protein. Made with real chicken, turkey or beef. Made with quality ingredients. No artificial flavors, no high fructose corn syrup, no sugar added. Trace amounts may be present due to potential cross-contact at manufacturing site. Mix it up. Pair with your dog's favorite Pedigree dry food. Contains 6 3.5 ounces pouches of Pedigree high-protein wet dog food pouches, with chicken and beef cuts in gravy, 6 3.5 ounces pouches of Pedigree high-protein wet dog food pouches, beef and pork tenderloin flavor cuts in gravy and 6 3.5 ounces pouches of Pedigree high-protein wet dog food pouches, with chicken and turkey cuts in gravy. Top reviews from the United States. My service dog loves this stuff. I have a very picky border collie service dog who refuses to touch so many brands of dog food, it's ridiculous. She tried this specific variety, high-protein Pedigree, after I adopted a rescue pup who came with half a bag because it was what he was used to, and now it's the only thing she will eat. She even turns up her nose at Merrick canned food to eat this instead. I am convinced she's insane, but I buy it, so I guess we know who the boss is in my house. Lol.